Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu salam ala Sayyidina Muhammadin sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Today's lesson, inshallah, will be extensions of a alif, a waw, and a ya type. So, you'll see that an alif without a haraka, a waw that has like a cut off ha, and a ya that has like a cut off ha on top. So here, waw and ya, they have that little symbol there. It extends the letter that is beforehand. So here, ba, but with this makes it fatha. Ba. It's similar to the previous lesson where you extend a letter with this. So tha. This one will become ba. And in this case, bu, bi, ta, tu, ti, tha, thu, thi, ha, hu, hi, kha, khu, khi, ra, ru, ri, za, zu, zi, ta, tu, ti, dha, dhu, dhi, fa, fu, fi, ha, hu, hi, ya, yu, yi, a, u, i, ja, ju, ji, da, du, di, tha, dhu, thi, sa, su, si, sha, shu, shi, sa, su, si, da, du, di, a, u, i, gha, gu, ghi, qa, ku, qi, ka, ku, ki, la, lu, li, ma, mu, mi, na, nu, ni, wa, wu, wi. In this lesson, you see letters that are similar to the previous one. We're seeing waw and ya again with a sukoon. Now, the sukoon makes you stop on a letter. Different to the previous lesson, where it becomes an extension. If a dhamma, is followed by a waw with a sukoon, it becomes an extension of the dhamma. If the kasra is followed by a ya, it becomes an extension of a kasra. If a fatha is followed by an alif, it becomes an extension of the fatha. Now, differently, in this one, it's not followed by the same sounding syllable, if you want to call that syllable. It's not followed like a waw is not followed by a dhamma. A dhamma is not followed by a waw. A fatha is not followed by an alif. And a kasra is not followed by a ya. So, now instead of extending a letter, you're stopping. So, ta, and then followed by a waw with a sukoon, becomes taw. You stop on the waw. The next one is ta followed by a ya with a sukoon, and you stop on the ya. So, tay. So, taw, tay. Next is thaw, thay. Daw, day. Thou, they. Raw, ray. Zaw, zay. Saw, say. Shaw, shay. Saw, soy. Daw, doy. Taw, toy. Though, thoy. Low, lay. No, nay. Ow, a. Bow, bay. Jow, jay. How, hay. Kho, khoy. Ow, ay. غو غي فو في قو قي كو كي مو مي wow way how hey yo yay. That's the end of this lesson. Inshallah, see you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.